How to clear Google Photos storage. Firstly, you have to install the Google Photos app from your Android, and this feature can also be applied on your iPhone. You have to install it from your Play Store. Now open the Google Photos app. We are going to know that how to clear Google Photos storage. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now we are going to clear Google Photos storage. Firstly, you have to select the library here. Now you can see here trash icon. You have to select all of the videos or pictures from here and you have to click on delete icon. In this way, some of the Google storage will be cleared. In this way, you can select the Google storage. You will also move to the ID here and you can see here storage account. You can click on it and clear all the storage from here. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.